watching Market Cafe with me, Shreyanshi Singh, and over the next 1 hour, me and Priyanka Ophir will be taking you through news and updates from within the country as well as across the globe. Also tell you which stocks you should be watching out for and tell you what the brokerages are saying as well. But well, first things first, let's take a look at the US markets and see what they did really in trade. The S&P 500 was the one that rose about 0.4%. Even when you take a look at the nasdaq composite, added 0.5%, marked the third winning session in a row. For these two indexes, you did have the Dow that underperformed just a tad bit, dipping roughly 0.3%. So a shade lower is where Dow was also at, but all three major averages then are on track to finish the week with modest gains. So when you take a look at the S&P 500, on pace for a 0.7% advance coming in, while the Nasdaq is the one that is tracking for an 0.8% jump during the period, as you can see on your screens as well. The Dow's the one that's lagging with a week-to-date climb of just about 0.5% thereabout. And stocks, in fact, what's key to note is that have managed to rebound from Monday's sell-off, which came after President Donald Trump over the weekend announced 10% tariffs on China then. And he also agreed to pause 25% when it comes to levies on Canada and Mexico. So that's very important to note. In terms of the tariff announcements that he's been making, that is going to be something that's largely going to be in focus when it comes to Trump 2.0. Was the highlight of the week, at least in the start of the week. But there's been a recovery ever since that announcement was made, and traders' focus now is going to be moving towards January's job report. That is something that we're looking out for, and that is slated for release on Friday, Priyanka. So that is definitely something that we're watching out for.
Absolutely. Morning. So US markets looks advancing they are on a pace for a winning week. But then talking about foil, that one was in choppy trade, and especially the kind of repeat pledges to lower the prices, what is coming in from US President Donald Trump. But oil, that one settled on Thursday, especially when Donald Trump pledged to raise a US oil production. That one unwavered the traders, and what we saw that Brent crude futures also fell by 32 cents, nearly 0.4%, to settle at $74.29 per barrel. And even you talk about WTI, that one also fell by 42 cents, nearly 0.6%, to settle at $70.61. So that was majorly on the oil. And we've seen that oil has been trading at a 1 month low level. Now the lower levels, what we saw is ever since January 15, but it has also dipped in to a level as low as the 1 month low, which was which was trading as January 2nd. So right now, of course, these are the cues that we're getting from oil at the moment.